Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asif Khan, and today we are going to be exploring the fundamental concepts of equilibrium and stability in physics as covered in class 9th Physics Federal Board. So what is equilibrium? Equilibrium is when the forces and the moments on an object are balanced. This means that the net force will be zero and no change will be occurring in translational motion. And when the net torque will be zero, that means that there will be no change in rotational motion. So we have two conditions for complete equilibrium state. The first condition states that the vector sum of all forces acting upon the body must be zero. For example, F subscript 1 plus F subscript 2 plus so on is equal to 0. That means that the first condition for complete equilibrium is satisfied. The second condition states that the vector sum of all torques acting on the body must be 0. This means torque subscript 1 plus torque subscript 2 plus so on is equal to 0. So the second condition of complete equilibrium will be satisfied. Now for an object in equilibrium state, clockwise moments equal anti-clockwise moments. The moment arm is crucial for balancing torques. The clockwise torques are negative and the anti-clockwise torques are positive. An example is of a seesaw balance. We have Kamil who sits 0.6 meter from the pivot applying 250 Newton force, and then Bilal 200 Newton force he needs to balance the seesaw. So we need to calculate Bilal's position for the equilibrium. What you will do is multiply 250 with 0.6 and then divide 200. So you will get Bilal's position for equilibrium. Now we have two types of equilibrium. First is static equilibrium and the second is dynamic equilibrium. Static equilibrium means that the body is at rest with all the forces balanced. And dynamic equilibrium means that the body moves with uniform velocity or rotation with zero net force or zero torque. And stability is basically an object's ability to return to its original position after the disturbance. A lower center of gravity and wider base enhance stability. I hope you guys liked my lecture. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.